She was a young mother, healthy and full of life, until a simple cough changed everything. Doctors revealed the hidden danger: exposure to pigeon droppings. Over time, it led to lung fibrosis, a disease that took her life. Her family lost her too soon, all because of something most of us ignore every day. At Pest-borne Incorporation, we believe no family should suffer because of hidden pests or infestations. Prevention starts with awareness and timely action. Protect your home. Protect your loved ones. Choose Pest-borne Incorporation.